this is how positions are completed. I mean, this is how we get out of trading a position that we've been in now for about 2 weeks. I am in the April and May positions, and what we have here is a profit and loss graph. The green line is the expiration. The white line is our current position. And as you can see, we're very, very profitable at this point. If you come down and take a look at the profit and loss, we're up for $414 on this position, which has only been open now for a couple of weeks in our test account. This is not my total position. This is a test account that we run just for these types of videos, because what we want to do here is show you how it's possible to make monthly income and build wealth at the same time on very small positions. As you take a look down here, you can see we only have one contract on some of these positions. Now, this is not our total position. Our total position actually included the diamonds, the ETF SPY, which we currently still have on. We have a few more positions on those. We have about 5 contracts on those, which we're going to be closing out today. We had IWM in there, so we had a portfolio of positions, and we've over the last few days, let's see how much time we have left on these SPYs for the April. We only have 7 days left, and generally what we like to do is about 10 days out, start to pare down our profitable positions, because we don't want the risk of them turning into unprofitable positions as we go along. So right now, with 7 days left, we want to really get out, start to pare down these positions, because when you look at it, now I'm going to keep my cursor right there, but I want you to take a look down in the left-hand corner of this chart, which is right down in here, and I want to show you that we are up $411 on our total position. We are in a total position here. This includes the EEMs and the SPY position that we have remaining open. And we're up $410. Now, our maximum profit target is $716. So if we held this all the way to expiration without price moving either way, and it just kind of hung in there at the same level for the next 7 days, then we would, generate the maximum amount of profits of $728, $30 or so. But when we have 50% more of our profits, we'd like to actually start taking our profits at 20% of our max. So, that's what we've been doing. I took the diamonds off. I took our IWM positions off. Now we're getting down to the point where there's not much profit potential left in our SPY position. So I'm going to take those off, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Our position is up here. We've got what's called an iron condor, and if you go through some of our basic videos on different positions that we have, then you'll see exactly how to create these type of positions. But there's only 9 cents left. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Get out of there. There's only 9 cents left in this 140 call of April that we've got, and there's only 3 cents left in the April 42. So there's not much. There's not much profit potential left in these positions. We've got maybe 5 cents left to get out of this. Now, on our put side, we've got 16 cents on the 127s because we'd be buying those back at 18 cents, and we'd be selling the 126 or the 125s at 7 cents. So we've got about 11 cents in there. We could hold on to those for, let's see, that's 11 cents, and that's 5 cents. That's about 16 cents. I mean, we could end up taking, a little bit more profit out of there, but boy, I'll tell you, let me take a look at this analyze graph. Again, I'll go down to a single symbol, and I'll take a look at our SPY position. We are dead center on profit, and if we hold our mouse right over that position, you can see that we are up $283 on that position with a max of 375. And frankly, the $70 or so that, or $90 or so that we have left in this position to take is not worth the risk that it goes into an unprofitable position if it goes either direction, especially with only 7 days left in the trade. So we're going to go ahead and take those off, and that's how you start to pare down the positions that you have. You want to take a look at your individual positions as well as your portfolio, all in general. And then around 10 days to expiration, you want to start to pare down these. But I just want to show you the profit potential. You want to get really good at managing your positions on a portfolio beta weighted basis over time. And when you can successfully trade 1 or 2 or 3 contracts, then you can begin to move up your number of contracts until you get into a position where you are extremely profitable. But just to show you what the profit potential is, on 1 or 2 contracts, we have if you take a look down here, we have open, this is our current open profit and loss. We took actually over $1,100 out of profit on a $1,600 margin. We've only got $1,000 of margin up right now. We're making $407. That's a 40% return on investment on margin, return on margin in just the last 2 weeks.